Hello friends, welcome to WPZap demo video. In this video, we will check out the features provided in the plugin and how you can use this plugin. So very first, you have to log into member area dashboard with the details that you have received after login. Let me enter my login details here and hitting the sign in button. So this is the dashboard screen where you can see the connected sites. Here in the menu option, we can see the download option, which allows you to download the plugins based on the purchase you made. They have provided different plugins here, along with the license key, which could be used to authenticate your purchase when you install the plugin on WordPress dashboard. Next to it, we have a premium template option that allows you to access the themes. Then we have an agency option, reseller option, and these two option, agency and reseller, will be available if you purchase the particular upgrade. Then we have a bonus section which allows you to access the bonus product provided with WPZap, and at last you can view the tutorials. So let's start downloading the plugin and install it on WordPress. So from here you can download the plugin, hit this button and wait till it gets downloaded. I have successfully downloaded the plugin and navigated to my WordPress dashboard, which I have already set up on the domain. So let's start installing the plugin. For that, go to plugins option and then hit the add plugin option. Then we will navigate to upload plugin option. Choose the downloaded file here, and after choosing, hit the install now button. Wait till it gets installed. The plugin has been installed successfully. Now hit the activate plugin button. Now here you need to enter the authentication key that you will get from the members area. So let's navigate to members area, copy that license key and paste it here. So I have successfully copied the key. Now let me paste it here and hitting the connect button. So my authentication has been completed. Now I redirected to the Zap WP option where I can see the further option, like the very first one is the dashboard, which shows the executed flow, total execution, and recent logs along with the flow name, its execution time, and its status, whether the flow is failed or succeed. So next to it, we have a flow chart option which allows you to create a new flow. You can also add it or delete the existing flow. You can deactivate the flow. You can search flow from here and you can also filter on the basis of active or inactive. Then we have a connection option which shows the list of the connection that we have made. At the moment we don't have any connection, so it is showing me blank screen. And at last we have a Zap WP authentication screen where you can disconnect the authentication key or connect it again. Now let's move how you can create a flowchart. For this, hit this button, enter the title of the flow, and hit the create button. Once it is created, you will be redirected to this editor screen where you can select the trigger and you can also add action. First, we'll check out how you can add the trigger. For that, just hit this plus icon, and here you can see the multiple trigger app that you have provided with our plugin. You can select as per your need. With each trigger app, there is an associated trigger event. So whenever user hit that event, uh, data will passed to the action that we connect. So for example, if we go with the contact form 7, then please make sure that your trace have this contact form 7 plugin and you have created a form into that plugin. So let's select this app. Here it is showing me an event on form submit. So whenever the form was submitted by the user, this trigger will be hit. So let's select this. After that, you need to select the contact form that you created using this plugin. At the moment, I have one contact form. So let's select it and hit the save button. Data has been saved successfully and we have connected contact form 7 in the trigger. Now let's add the action. Action means whenever the trigger is called, the data will be redirected to the app which you add in action. Similar to the trigger app, we have provided multiple action app also. For that, hit the plus icon. You can see the action apps. We have a Google Sheet, MailChimp, ConvertKit, GetResponse, Google Drive, and etc. etc. So you can connect any of them you want. For example, if you want that the contact form data will be saved in the MailChimp, so you just select that action. Here we again have an action event like create subscriber. So the entry field by the contact form 7 will create a subscriber in your MailChimp account that you have connected here. For that, you need to add connection. You need to select connection type. You need to name it. You need to enter the MailChimp API key. And after getting all this detail, you just need to hit the connect button. So let's add the API key and connect it. I have added the API key, now hitting the connect button. So the connection has been created. Now we will select the module. So we'll select add a member to an audience. So whenever the contact form 7 was filled, the MailChimp will add a member to the audience section. Then select the audience. I selected it. Then you can map the field here. Like I'm given the first field as email and entering the value. So you can see the notice here. What does it mean? Then we can add more contact field and after that hit the save button. So in this way, MailChimp has been connected successfully. Now, whenever an entry occur in the contact form 7, the data will be passed to MailChimp. You can also add further action app here, like if you want to pass out the MailChimp data to any other app, you can use it. So in this way, using the WPZap, you can create the automated flow for data management Hope you like this video. Thank you.